In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow a store on Temu. If you want to keep up with a seller you like, following a store on Temu is a simple way to do it. This can be helpful if you've found a shop with products you want to come back to later, or if you want to keep an eye on that store's latest listings and offers. I'll walk you through the process step by step so it's easy to follow. To get started, open the Temu website in your web browser. Once you're there, make sure you're signed into your account. This is important because the follow feature usually works only when you're logged in. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and do that first before moving on. After you're logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is visit the store you want to follow. One easy way to get there is by opening any product listing from that store. On the product page, look for the store name. It's typically displayed near the product details. Click on the store name, and that will take you directly to the store's page. Once you're on the store homepage, look for the follow button. If the option is available, you should see it somewhere on the store page. Usually near the store name or header area, click that follow button to start following the store. After you click it, check to make sure the action went through. In most cases, the button will change from follow to following, or you may see a similar confirmation that tells you the store has been successfully followed. That visual change is your sign that it worked. If you don't see a follow button, keep in mind that not every store may offer this feature, or the layout may look slightly different depending on whether you're using a desktop browser or another device. So if needed, take a quick look around the top section of the store page before assuming it isn't there. And that's all it takes. Open Temu, sign into your account, go to a product listing, click the store name, and then select Follow on the store page. Finally, confirm that the button changes to following or shows a similar message. Now you know how to follow a store on Temu. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.